Good afternoon, everyone. God bless you and your family. The purpose of this video is to provide an update regarding my Stage-1 Buick 455 Regal-T. The update is basically this. These are the valve covers that's going on the 494 cubic inch stroker. I just put this here. It's cosmetics just to get the feel of how it's going to look on how the new motor is going to look with these on up under the hood. This is my new fuel pressure regulator, Pro Systems. I plumbed it in last night. Now you see this joint here. From here to here is going to be replaced with one piece. I'm going to eliminate 1, 2, and the third, and it's going to be one piece, and actually shorten this fuel line for the rear of my Holley double pumper. And fuel pressure gauge is now sitting on the regulator, Pro Systems. I'm not running a return line, so I'm going to retain my original fuel line plumbing. But from here, this fitting, from here all the way to the tank is going to be replaced with brand new braided stainless steel fuel line, and it's the fuel line that has the protective material in it, where some call it the correct braided stainless steel fuel line. I've had that for over a year and change, still in the box. Fuel line from fuel pressure regulator all the way to the tank slash Pro Systems 440 gallon electric fuel pump. Tuck it out, they would say down south. But so far, so good. I also, with the Dremel tool, I took care of all that junk that was on the exhaust headers. All I need to do now is prime and repaint them black. And regarding the new motor, this is going to be retained, and this hose, the bottom hose, lower radiator hose, that's going to be replaced. And of course, the new distributor will not be this. It's going to be on the new, I am so sorry. The new distributor will be on the new motor. This motor, except for the alternator and the power steering pump and brace, this motor is going to be put away until I get the engine stand, flip the motor upside down. But there's instructions that Mr. P, also no lift from v8buick.com. Mr. Mike P, you know who you are, man, and you guys know who he is. So moving forward, Mr. Weiss needs to receive these and my new cap and rotor, and also the Holley 950 CFM Max Air Carbs modified double pumper carburetor. I cleaned up all the wiring on this side of the Regal. Everything. I cleared all of that up. Vacuum reservoir, it was sand down. I'm gonna reprime this and paint it and bolt it back against the frame. And that's about it. Everything else will remain for the 494. Basically, I'm getting a block swap, and that is it. The headers gonna remain, and that's about it. Oh, this is for positive. I'm gonna actually reroute the wiring here. Now, this, I noticed that I had no 1/4 inch wire loom, so this is why, as you can see here, this is not necessary, this large amount. So I'm going to reduce the wiring and the wire loom, but that's another project down the line. That's after the 494 stroker is in place for this 455 462. And regarding the cam, I'm still excited and concerned as to how the cam's going to sound in the 494. Mr. Weiss said, Tri-Shield Performance. He said, Chris, I know exactly what you want. I heard the video of this cam, the TA29008H from TA Performance. He said that my 494 is going to sound very similar to that, if not stronger. But anyway, that's about it. Cut these slots with the Dremel tool as well. Trying to focus. Well, anyway, this camera is something else. Well, anyway, the slots were cut so the hood will not bang against this when I close it and it begins to buckle. So after time, I'm assuming the weight of the hood is gonna get rid of the slight buckle the hood has because of these upper fender braces. Right here. Well, at least you can see the shape of. So anyway, boom, ba-da-doom. That's it up under here, if I'm not mistaken. And inside here, I'm gonna put my custom 3-toggle switch panel. It's upstairs, rewired and everything. I'm not putting that until the 494 is up under the hood and the mechanics are done. And this is red plexiglass, as a matter of fact. It looks nice. To me, it looks really good for me, what I want. And if I get tired of the red or the red is screaming too loudly, I'm gonna simply cover it with paper. Carbon fiber type adhesive wrap. But that's about it. So far, so good with everything. Oh, my line lock may not let dust in here. Oh, and the speaker was killing me. It was killing me over there with that ugly brace. The guy that installed my radio, he placed a speaker under there with these ugly braces. And I changed it up. Now my speaker resides right here. And this area over here, it looks much better without that. And boom, it was nice using the Dremel tool to cut this area out to get the speaker in there. But still, I need to, the face of it, you see here, I have Gorilla Tape, strips of, but that's gonna be removed and replaced with the screw. I don't have the correct screw right now. It goes into the cover, which connects it to the actual speaker itself. But I love the way this looks opposed to the way it was over there, looking very ugly with 2 legs, 1, 2 of a freaking brace, 2 braces. But anyway, that's about it. So far, so good. God bless you all. And main ingredient here. This is the original mechanical fuel pressure gauge. Boom. Parts for it. This is the original Holley mechanical fuel pressure gauge. And here we go. This is the new fuel pressure gauge, mechanical. I just did this for cosmetics for now. Just screwed it on. Now here, I'm gonna sand this down, get rid of this rust. The wiring for the backlighting is now blue for my hood-mounted odometer fuel pressure gauge. Blue, blue, blue. I've wanted that for quite some time. And this brace, Lord have mercy. I'm gonna sand this down, prime, and repaint this as well. That's about it. Nothing else going on. Again, I thank you, subscribers, adamantly. I really, really, really appreciate you. God bless you all and your family, those listening and those that are not. I'm very surprised and happy that I haven't been going crazy for, like, fiending with anxiety for the 494. You know, I guess going to church religiously and trying to do the correct things as God would like for me to do religiously, that's paid off regarding my patience/anxiety issues that I don't feel are there anymore. The anxiety issues, no. But anyway, I thank God for everything. Things far beyond this Buick. This is just my my hobby, one of my passions. But that's about it. God bless you all. Have a great day every day. Peace and love. Oh wait, my skinnies. That's like Columbo. This is the second time I do it. Oh wait, there's one more thing. Skinnies. Close this door. There the skinnies. They're skinny. This is from my boy Steve, who's currently now 1320 Steve with his Chargers. Well, with his Dodge high performance automobiles. Thank you very much again, Steve, who was originally 11 second Steve, and then Turbo Steve. This looks like it's begging for more air, but 25 pounds of what both have. And people I've sent this photo to, they said, no, it looks normal. But to me, feels like it could use like maybe 2 or 3 more pounds, but this is the other skinny, driver side skinny. And I would like lug nut bolts. Not bolts, wait, hold on. Is that a spider? Yeah, the nuts. I would like different lug nuts for this. I've searched eBay. I found a pair that I feel a fit on this stock 87 Regal rotor setup, and the studs, wheel studs. So I'm gonna wait when those come, see if they make better contact with the actual studs. Excuse me, with the actual studs, opposed to this type wheel. But they look devastating to me. It would be so cool. And these are in the trunk of the car, brand new. I just don't want Bob messing them up. Oh, Chris, the door slammed against the brand new headlight bezels, etc., and it crushed them like eggshells. You know, I'm sorry. That's as far as that would go. So, preventative maintenance. These bad boys are off for a reason. They right in the trunk, brand new. So that's it. So far, so good. God bless you all on the real. And I thank you very much.